Hi everybody, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool dolly. Everybody needs to have a dolly in their life. There's never a time that I have not wanted one of these. Super lightweight, it's only 13.8 pounds, so it's extremely lightweight, which is great, and actually it's extendable. So this actually goes from 22 to 31.5 inches, which allows you a lot of play as far as your versatility with this. It's very compact, would easily store in the back of a car. When you open it up, locks the handle right into place. You can now easily wheel it like this if you needed to. Very silent wheels. These wheels are 360-degree capacity and are 3.9 inches on the wheels, so it is a very nice rubberized wheel. Would go very silently over hard surfaces or over carpet. Very easy to do that. This easily expands out like that, so you have a much deeper surface to put your weight on there. And if you wanted to extend this out, you can do that as well. So what we're going to do is go outside and we can show you how easily this is to 360-degree swivel and put things on for your next move. I wanted to show you some of the versatility of this. One, again, it's easy to maneuver this thing around. It does have these locking casters on the back, which is super cool if you're going to be loading stuff up so it doesn't go away. They also provide you with a handy ratchet strap. This holds a lot of weight, so if you're going to be doing stuff even outside, like some heavy 50-pound bags of compost, or maybe you're going to move around some furniture, really easy to put that on there so that this can easily go. Unlock the wheels. This is a really great and versatile little hand cart that holds up to 360 pounds, and it's ready to take off whenever you are.